In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Truist mobile customer support using their phone, chat, and email options. Navigating through the customer support maze can sometimes be overwhelming, but with a few simple steps, you'll be getting the help you need in no time. Let's start by accessing Truist's digital banking platform. To do this, you'll want to open your web browser and head to their official website at www.truist.com/digitalbanking. This will land you on their homepage where you'll notice a clean layout designed to provide you with easy navigation. Understanding the layout can make your experience much smoother. Now direct your gaze to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the contacts link. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to all the various ways you can reach customer support at Truist. Once you're on the contacts page, a wealth of information is at your fingertips. Truist provides several phone numbers tailored to specific needs, whether you're inquiring about banking services, managing your debit or credit cards, asking questions about mortgages or loans, or if you're interested in investment and wealth management, rest assured there's a number for your specific need. It's crucial to select the phone number that aligns with your query to ensure you're directed to the knowledgeable team that can assist you best. And if you're uncertain about any service or product category, don't hesitate to consult an advisor. They're there to help guide you. For those who prefer not to use the phone, Truist also offers a chat support option. This can be handy if you're multitasking or if you prefer typing over talking. Usually you'll find the chat option as a pop-up or prominently displayed on the contact page. Clicking this will connect you to a customer service representative who can help with your inquiries in real time. This option is great for resolving quick issues or questions without having to wait on hold. Lastly, if you prefer a written exchange or need to document your conversation for reference, email support is a fantastic choice. While browsing the contact options, look for the email or contact form link. When reaching out via email, remember to include all relevant details such as your account information and a concise explanation of your issue. This will help ensure a faster and more efficient response from the support team. In summary, whether you're using the phone, chat, or email, Truist has made it straightforward for you to get the support you need. Each option is designed with customer convenience in mind, ensuring that no matter your preference, assistance is just a step away. I hope you found this guide helpful as you seek out customer support with confidence. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.